talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clash of Clans app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps. Come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Clash of Clans app, or just click on search. Then here add Clash of Clans app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. You click here on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for Clash of Clans app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.